Hi YouTube, Tim Eckert here. In this video we are going to solve systems of equations using substitution. These problems are for an Algebra 1 fundamentals review. So let's get started. We've got y equals 3x minus 15 and y equals 12x plus 3. Both of these equal y, so I'm going to take this value here and I'm going to put it in for y here. So I'm going to rewrite the top equation as 12x plus 3 and set that equal to 3x minus 15. Okay, so now I want to get my x's on one side, so I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So I'm going to get 9x plus 3 equal to negative 15. I'm then going to subtract 3 from both sides here. The 3's are going to cancel here. I'm going to be left with 9x. And that's going to equal negative 15 minus 3, which is negative 18. I'm then going to divide both sides by 9. And negative 18 divided by 9 is negative 2. So x equals negative 2. I then want to substitute in my value of x into one of these equations. The top one seems easier, so I'm going to do y equals 3 times negative 2 minus 15. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, so negative 6 minus 15 equals negative 21. So my solution to this problem is negative 2, negative 21. And I like to just put my answer here in a box. Just it shows everyone where my answer is. That's it for that one. You could take this and put negative 21 here. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6 minus 15. That does equal negative 21. Do the same thing for the bottom equation. 12 times negative 2 is negative 24. Plus 3 also equals negative 21. So you can do that check. All right, let's go to problem 2. We've got y equals negative 4x plus 9 and y equals 8x. I'm going to take 8x and put it where y is here. So I'm going to say 8x equals negative 4x plus 9. I'm then going to add 4x to both sides. These are going to cancel. I'm going to get 12x equals 9. We're then going to divide both sides by 12. So x is going to equal 9/12, which simplifies to 3/4, which is 0.75. That's my x value. I can now take this and put this into the bottom equation. Y equals 8 times 0.75. So that's going to be 6. So my solution here is going to be 0.756. And there we go. Okay, let's move to problem 3. Problem 3, we're solving the following system of equations using substitution. We've got y equals 5x plus 1 and y equals negative 5x plus 6. I'm going to put this in for y, so I'm going to rewrite the top equation into negative 5x plus 6 is equal to 5x plus 1. I'm going to add 5x to both sides. I like to keep my x's positive. So these are going to cancel. I'm going to get 6 equals 10x plus 1. I'm then going to subtract 1 from both sides. 1's are going to cancel here. I'm going to get 5 equals 10x. And then divide both sides by 10. So x is going to equal 0.5. We can now put that back in. I think I'll put it back into the top equation. I'll substitute that in for x. So I'll say y equals 5 times 0.5 plus 1. So 5 times 0.5 is 2.5. So I have 2.5 plus 1, which is 3.5. So my solution here is going to be 0.5, 3.5. Okay, we've got one left to go. This one we've got y equals 25x, and 10x plus 15 equals y as well. I'm just going to put y in for here. So I'm going to say 25x equals 10x plus 15. So you see I substituted in 25x for y. I'm going to subtract 10x from both sides. Ten x's on this side are going to cancel. 25x minus 10x is 15x, which equals 15. I'm then going to divide both sides by 15. These will cancel, and I'll get x equals 15 divided by 15, which is 1. Okay, now I can plug that back into the top equation. I can say y equals 25 times 1. So I substituted in 1 for x. So y equals 25. So my solution here is going to be 125. All right, there you go. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, leave comments in the comments below.